Kawasaki. Yeah, bitch. This is my bike. FBM Stairmaster. Odyssey Womboat Craig. Odyssey Trail Mix pedals. Fit sprocket. Piece of shit. Along with the chain, shadow, garbage. Odyssey hubs. Bandero 2 in the front. Left side drive. V3 in the back. 48 hole 7KA. Yeah. Got an ASM slick tire in the back. Animal. Garbage. Don't buy it. Because it's slick. Got Odyssey Path tire in the front. For paths. Odyssey race forks. For racing, obviously. Duh. Primo Annihilator stem right here. Lightest motherfucker in the world. Probably not though. Got Odyssey Aaron Ross space bars. Check out the stickers. Zoom in. Keyboard. Whip, spin, flip, bitch. ODI pink grips. Right here. Right here. Par ends. They say they're indestructible. Fuck that. That one's blown up. $250 a piece. Not worth it. Okay. Mike Aiken seat. Right there. Soft as a bitch. But it looks like shit. Then we got a little star wheel jewel in the back. That's where it's at, right there. All right, and then here's the fucking slam dunk and 360 points and shit and flips and shit and cunts. Right here, this is what makes the game. This fluorescent pink Odyssey lever with the linear cable to the fucking sickest brake system right here. Fucking limited edition shit. They only make one. That's where it gets all the hose. That's where it's at. You roll up at a party like, yo, what up, bitch? They just open up their fucking cooter lips right to you. And they're like, get me pregnant now. Alright? That's where it's at. Right here. My bike. Danzy.